Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling what lets the stream happen. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both Xbox and the Xbox app on your phone. This links devices. Once done, put both devices on the same Wi-Fi. 5 GHz reduces lag. Then, on the console, go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Remote Features, and enable Remote Play. This opens the port for streaming. Now open the Xbox app on your phone and go to the console list to begin connecting. You now connect and tune the stream. In the Xbox app, tap the console tile and choose Stream. The app will pair and request remote play. Once connected, adjust stream quality, choose higher resolution for sharp visuals, or lower it to prioritize smoother frame rate. Also make sure the console uses Ethernet or is near the router, and close downloads or background apps on console to free bandwidth. Doing these things reduces lag, so your phone displays a responsive, playable session. You finish by choosing controls and confirming connection stability. Pair a Bluetooth controller to your phone for full input, or use the app's touch controls for quick testing. When you're done, end the stream from the Xbox app or tap the Xbox button to disconnect cleanly. If you see lag or dropouts, restart the router and console, check NAT type and remote features, and as a last resort, try a mobile hotspot to isolate home network issues. That single troubleshooting step often reveals network problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.